A quick look at a Basebox Plus garden office by Green Retreats. This 3.5 meter by 2.4 meter garden room is part of the Basebox Plus range by Green Retreats, one of the most cost-effective ways to add an insulated garden office. The Basebox Plus is a pre-designed model that makes buying easy, with 15 standard sizes and a fixed specification, so you can skip decision fatigue and still get a building that looks great and performs all year round. This example has been set up as a home office, but we also spot a guitar, showing how the space can flex between work and downtime. Inside, white walls and sliding doors bounce the natural light around, creating a bright and professional environment. Outside, the upgraded Basebox Plus spec includes wood grain effect uPVC cladding that mimics freshly fitted cedar, but without the upkeep. A graphite screen connects the roof canopy with a composite step, creating a smart, low-maintenance finish. To learn more, contact Green Retreats or visit one of their showrooms to see the Basebox Plus in person. Read more on the garden room and annex guide, link in the description.